Good day everyone. So today we're gonna talk about HTML tables. So let's just put the format here and we're gonna put the title as HTML tables. Content, let's put HTML and the tables. Okay, so that's the basic format of it. Next we're gonna go into the body. So what we're gonna be talking today is the table, tr, th, and the td. So first is the table. So basically the table puts a placeholder for the whole table on the web page. Then next is the tr. Yeah, so the tr is not really the content of the table itself. It's just that the ones inside the tr are the content of the table. So count how many tr is there in the table, and that's the number of rows we have on the table. Then have the content itself, the th and the td. So the basic difference between these two is that the TD is like the paragraph tag wherein it's not bold and it is left aligned, while the TH is bold but on the center. Let's try it. So it's basically something like this if it's not yet edited. But if you highlight it like this, you can see that there's something separating the two of them, and that's a table. Then next is that it's not only text we can put on the th and the td, we can also put the img here. So something like that, and you can add the image, or maybe you can put h1 here. Yeah, so it's possible to add an h1 on the td. Next, we're going to be formatting this web page to look like a table. You know, the tables in the Microsoft Word or something. So what we're gonna do is to put CSS. CSS means cascading style sheet. Well, it just puts the sign on the web page. So just put it like that, and what's in here is the CSS. Now another way of implementing the CSS is to add this style and like that here on the tag itself. So let's try table. Then we're gonna put some borders here. Then you dictate how thick is the border you want. Let's say 1px. Then it's color block. So something like that. And you can put the border for the placeholder. Then we're gonna put some borders itself for the content. So add the th and the td here. So something like that. Then you want to enlarge this table to enlarge it like here to here. So let's try the second implementation. So let's put the width as 100%. So something like that. Well, you can maybe thicker or something. Change it to red. So this is basically the basics for the tables of HTML. Experiment the codes for yourself and find other codes out there, and happy coding.